This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by JenniferFugazzi. Make your offer on this HUD-owned property now. 1,723 square foot house west/wood laminate floor west/fireplace, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 2 detached garages. Yes, I said 2 outbuildings that are wired for electric west/newly installed electrical panels. One is 30 by 22 west/double garage door and the second one is 25 by 13 with 1 car garage door. If you need a place to store your boats, dune buggies, wave runners, campers, or just have extra cars etc., this one would be perfect for you. All bids must be made on www.hudhomestore.com or visit www.chronosolutions.com. HUD Homes sell as is case number 421 to 544,541. Bidding period ends April 21, 2021. For more information.